Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Easton, Newton, Hopatcon, Hackettstown, Washington, Blairstown, Denver, Mount Arlington, Skyhope, Penn Argyll, Niptong, and Wind Gap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 27. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths current vehicles. Heavily terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.